just as I am, and waiting not to rid my soul of one dark blot, to Thee whose blood can cleanse each spot. O Lamb of God, I come, I come, just as I am, though tossed about with many a conflict